same day edit.
First time I met him was during my college days in University of Baguio. Opposite siya nung gusto ko.
Doon kami nagkatalo kasi siyempre ako, yung mga dyan yung gusto ko sa kanya. Masipag talaga siya. Talaga niya na ako.
Masipag. Ay, ganda.
Ang galing.
Cheer! Yes! Go!
Hey guys, cheer for me! Come on!
Nagganong-ganong kami sa labas eh.
Galing.
As we become one special day, I won't give you promises, since promises are meant to be broken. So instead of promises, I will swear that maging mapait man ang ating pag-iibigan, hindi ko magagawa ang palayain. Sasamahan kita sa gawaing bahay, sa paghugas ng pinggan, hanggang sa pag-alaga ng mga bata. Ako hindi ko kasama sa hirap at
Sigurado, sigurado. Wow, uy, laki ng puwet. May pinaglalaban. Ay, ganda ate girl.
Ang stress ng
Ano excited na kaya kasal mo? 99.9%. 1% pag nasuot breakout ko. This is it.
wala ka energy.
Wow! May ganyan ka palang shots ha. Ang galing.
Papa, your gift. Mama, your gift.
Hindi ko nabigay yung kaya akin kay La Mother. Naubusan na kami ng time kasi. Hindi. Kusot-kusotan dyan likod ko na eh. Yan, no? Gas naman. Galing.
Mahal ko, Mama. The long wait is over. Here we are at last.
Iyak na naman ako dyan ko kasi.
Doing this experimental therapy. 6 years long. Wala nang bago sa ugali. You always say, I miss you. Even we just parted 8 hours ago. Just to feel your love. In times of unapproached and anxieties, you never leave me. You always say, uulat na mahal ko. Nandito lang ako. And let us live and pray and ask for God's help.
Kunwari na, pag ka naman daw, pero alam mo na.
Hey Papa, we are getting closer to our dream wedding. Are you ready? Well, set your time on time so that you'll not be late.
Deliver din ni Kemke sa kanya. Wow!
You're the best gift I've ever had. I hope this gift will be helpful for your needs. I love you and make this simple I love you. Mama. Tumbler. Char, nakakita ko. Aww. I love you. Thank you,
Dyan naman talaga ako. Ay, yung dumi ng pa ako.
I swear to take care of my health, not only for me, but also for you and our future kids, so that I can live long enough to take care of you and our family, so that you will never be alone to face the challenges. I swear that I will build this family through God's will. I swear to love you
Wow.
and forever ends.
Pawis, oh.
I swear that we will put God first in all our decisions, so that God will always give us the right answers. With all that said, I love you.
I give to you today my words of promise to love, respect you, to be your best friend, a lawyer, your confidant, your strength, your navigator, and your wife.
Oh, si Ina. Naiyak na talaga ako. Di ba naiiyak ako? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Hanggang ngayon.
Today, surrounded by
Pawis na
all my
pawis
loved
ako.
ones, I choose you to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
Kaso ba?
sickness and to love and cherish you until our last wisdom. Sa gitna ng kawalan, palaging ikaw ang
Isa ako
ikaw ang
kayo.
ngayon, ikaw ang bulong, gitna at simula. Ito ang aking pangalan. Mahal.
Galing.
Once again, everyone,
Galing,
presented by
galing.
Iris Photography and Videography, it's the wedding day of Mix and Loveline. Congratulations!